We'll guide you through how to make a line graph in Word. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in a Microsoft Word document, and so you want to go and make a line graph. A line graph is a great way of plotting data, and so you can then go and add it into your Word document and have it a part of a project or whatever you're working on. So make sure this is full guide as we guide you through how you can go and add it and add in your data. Don't go and skip anything as you may go and miss something important. So what you want to do is come to the top ribbon in Word and find the option for Insert. You want to go and find the option for Charts. So come into Illustration and press Chart. You can then go and see the different charts you can add. So on the left here, you want to go and find the option for Line. Then at the top here, you can see some different options. You can click through and decide what you want. I'm just going to go for a simple line, then go and press OK. It's then been added in, and what's really important is this pop-up. This is where we're going to go and add in our data and go and add in what they're called. So at the top, we've got series 1, 2, 3, and they then go up on the left here. And then you've got the categories which appear on the x-axis. So you can click and hold at the bottom to expand this, and I'm going to start customizing it. So I could have this set to 2020, then I could have that set to 2021, and you go and get the idea. So go and enter in your data as you want, and then you can go and customize the series. I'll just leave them as they are. I've got my own data I'm going to go and add though. So I'm going to go and type that in here. If you have more data to add, you can go and type it in, and you can then go and choose the selection by clicking and holding one of the corner points and dragging the data you want to go and have included. You can come over to the right to access the layout options, add different chart elements by selecting them there. You can go and choose the style and also go and use the filter as well. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more how-tos like this. Have a great day.